Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Mia Alifah. Study ID number 1951110. Mathematics Education Study Program from Science and Mathematics Faculty. Here, I will convey the results of scientific work to fulfill my final assignment. The title. My title of the research is Analysis Learning Difficulties Grade 8 in Mathematics Learning Following the Scientific Approach in SMPN 1 Padalarang. Topic discussed. 1. Middle school study learning difficulties in learning mathematics. 2. Relation material. The reason for taking this title: describe learning difficulties that arise and the causes of learning difficulties for class 8 SMPN 1 Tadalarang. In learning mathematics, relational material and its presentation with a scientific approach. What is the urgency? Schools can understand the learning difficulties experienced by students in following the process of learning mathematics and presenting relationships using a scientific approach. The school can provide supporting facilities for the mathematics learning process for teachers so that its implementation in the classroom runs according to its objectives. Formulation of the problem. 1. What are the forms of learning difficulties for class 8 students that appear in learning mathematics with relational material and its presentation with scientific approach? 2. What causes the emergence of learning difficulties for class 8 students in learning mathematics with relational material and its presentation with a scientific approach? So, which method to use? Qualitative and quantitative. The conclusion, based on the results of the discussion, it can be concluded that the forms of learning difficulties for class 8 students that appear in learning mathematics, materials, and presenting relations with a scientific approach are difficulties in understanding raw diagrams, difficulties in asking relational problems, difficulties in determining raw diagrams of two sets with the form of reasoning, difficulties in trying to determine relations in the form of reasoning, and difficulties in concluding the material and presenting the relation that have been studied. That's all I can convey. I'm sorry if there are mistakes in pronunciation and writing. So, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.